Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about why Acorns needs your SSN. Acorns is a popular investing app that allows you to automatically invest your money. It's a great way to save for retirement or other financial goals. But why does Acorns need your SSN? Main content. There are a few reasons why Acorns needs your SSN. To open an account. In order to open an account with Acorns, you need to provide your SSN. This is a requirement of the law. To report your income. Acorns is required to report your income to the IRS. This is because they are considered a financial institution. To verify your identity. Acorns uses your SSN to verify your identity. This helps to prevent fraud. Benefits of providing your SSN to Acorns. There are a few benefits to providing your SSN to Acorns. It makes it easier to open an account. You won't have to provide any other information. It helps you to stay compliant with the law. Acorns will report your income to the IRS for you. It helps to prevent fraud. Acorns uses your SSN to verify your identity. Risks of providing your SSN to Acorns. There are also some risks associated with providing your SSN to Acorns. Your SSN could be stolen. There is always a risk that your SSN could be stolen. However, this is a risk that you take with any financial institution. Your SSN could be used for identity theft. If your SSN is stolen, it could be used for identity theft. This is a serious crime that can have a devastating impact on your life. How to protect your SSN. There are a few things you can do to protect your SSN. Don't share your SSN with anyone unless you have to. Only provide your SSN to trusted financial institutions, such as Acorns. Monitor your credit reports. You can get a free copy of your credit report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus. This will help you to detect any unauthorized activity. Be careful when you're online. Don't share your SSN with anyone online, even if you think you know them. Acorns needs your SSN for a number of reasons, including to open an account, report your income, and verify your identity. There are both benefits and risks associated with providing your SSN to Acorns. By taking some simple steps, you can help to protect your SSN and reduce the risk of identity theft. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope this video has been helpful. If you're interested in learning more about Acorns, please visit their website. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.